I shift our focus to big news that we're tracking. Yet another infiltration bid along the LOC. In fact, in Jammu and Kashmir, a massive search operation in Akhnur. The army opens fire on suspected infiltrators. So that's a significant development that we continue to track as far as how this is yet another infiltration bid along the line of control. In fact, massive search operation in Akhnur where the army has opened fire on suspected infiltrators. But for the moment, we leave it at that. In fact, before we wrap up this edition of The Big Story, we have a very interesting report for you. Now, traffic snarls, endless road closures, and never-ending stress of being stuck in traffic jams. Don't all of us relate? But if you're living in Chennai and stuck in traffic today, you will not skip a signal, but your heart will surely skip a beat. What are we talking about? Well, my colleague Dharani Balasubramaniam brings us this report to showcase how Chennai has become creative on International Traffic Light Day. Take a look.
I'm standing in a four-way junction in Mount Road, in Chennai, and you can see in the visuals over here, we are going to show you some difference today from the routine days. So if you have a close look at the traffic signal over there, you can see that the red light in the traffic signal is going to be heart-shaped. Yes, there it is. You can see it over there. So this is the scene across Chennai city today. In all the traffic signal, lights in Chennai today, you can come across this heart-shaped red light. So today is viewers International Traffic Light Day. So this day is celebrated on August 5th every year to commemorate the installation of the world's first electric traffic signal in Cleveland. This day recognizes the importance of traffic lights in keeping traffic flowing smoothly and ensuring the safety of motorists, cyclists and pedestrians. And to celebrate this day, to commemorate the installation of the world's first traffic signal, the Greater Chennai Traffic Police, they have decided to convert the red light in all the traffic signals across Chennai city to heart shape. Of course, we showed you in the visuals. We're continuing to show you in the visuals over here. So you can see a cute red color heart over there. It's usually circle in shape, but today alone across Chennai city in all traffic signals, you can come across that heart-shaped red light. So this is to instill, confidence in the traffic system, in Chennai city among the public, and also to, to create awareness among the public about following traffic rules and to ensure the commutation for themselves and for others across the world is, safe to every citizen.